Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey sliding door roller. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, screwdrivers, and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so make sure your Odyssey is on a level surface. You'll also want to disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your sliding door roller. Next, you'll need to access the roller. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to pry off the plastic clips without causing damage. Once the panel is off, you'll see the roller assembly. Locate the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the roller in place. Use the appropriate socket to loosen and remove these bolts, allowing you to detach the old roller from the door frame. Now it's time to install your new roller. Carefully position the new roller assembly into its designated spot. Align the mounting holes and reinsert the 2 or 3 bolts you removed earlier. Tighten these bolts securely, but avoid over-tightening. Double-check that the roller arm is correctly seated within the door's track. This ensures smooth operation and proper alignment of the sliding door. Finally, reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips snap firmly into place and any screws are reinstalled. Reconnect your vehicle's battery. Now, open and close the sliding door several times to test its operation. Listen for any unusual noises and observe the door's movement. It should slide smoothly and effortlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Honda Odyssey sliding door roller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.